Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to auto-update folders in Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you want to ensure your folders refresh automatically at regular intervals, keeping your inbox and all other folders up to date without having to manually click refresh every time. Before we dive in, if you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in and that your inbox has populated with your messages. This is important because we need access to all the main menu options that only appear once Outlook is properly loaded. Once your email has loaded completely, it's time to set up the auto update feature. Navigate to the Send/Receive menu located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are positioned. Click on the Send/Receive tab. This tab controls how and when Outlook checks for new messages and updates your folders, so it's the central hub for managing these kinds of automatic processes. Once the Send/Receive menu has opened, look at the top left part of the ribbon and you'll see an option called Send/Receive Groups. Click on the Send/Receive Groups drop down. From the options that appear, click on Define Send/Receive Groups. This will open a new window dedicated to managing how often Outlook checks for updates. The Send/Receive Groups window gives you control over the scheduling and frequency of folder updates, which is exactly what we need to customize. From here, simply click on the Schedule an Automatic Send/Receive checkbox. By enabling this option, you're telling Outlook to automatically refresh your folders without any manual input from you. After checking that box, you'll see a field where you can set an interval between automatic updates. You can choose how many minutes should pass between each update, whether that's every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or whatever suits your workflow best. Setting a shorter interval means your folders will update more frequently, keeping you constantly in sync with new messages and changes. And there you have it. You've successfully configured Outlook to auto-update your folders at regular intervals. This means you'll always have the latest emails and folder changes without lifting a finger. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.